Good morning, Year 7. Welcome to your end of year achievement assembly from me, Mrs. Nash, and a very special person. Do you want to say hi, Mrs. Nash?
Hi everyone, hope everyone's good. It's lovely to be able to speak to you again, even though we can't see you.
And who is that little tiny person in your arms?
This little person is my little boy. He's called Jamie and he's 5 weeks old and he can't speak, but I'll say hello on his behalf. But he's looking.
I can imagine there is a whole O corridor right now going, oh!
You'd be right too, he's very cute.
He's watching, look. Anyway, we are here for the Year 7 end of year award ceremony. So without further ado, let's make a start.
Welcome Year 7. Now, I'm sure you guys would agree it's been a very eventful year. Lots of highs, lots of lows, but loads of you have made some really, really great progress and we're so proud of you. And so this is our time to celebrate with you. We hope you enjoy the assembly. Continue working this hard in Year 8 and you guys are going to be absolutely fantastic. So very well done for a great year.
Okay, so joining us for this ceremony, and I think it's the end of term, so I think it's probably time to make some noise. So 7B, let's see if you can cheer loud enough for the other form classes to hear you. Well done. Okay, and now we have 7R. Well done. And have we got 7M here? Well done. And have we got 7F? Fantastic. Okay, moving on.
So we're going to go through lots of awards that many of you will have won, and we're so proud of those that have done so. So make sure you're sat down, take your seats, enjoy, and make sure we give everyone a big clap. But maybe wait till the end so that you don't miss what me and Miss Tansley are saying.
Okay, so the following awards are a mixture of academic excellence and effort.
So let's start with our outstanding achievement for English. And those prize winners are Aurel, fantastic, very well done. And Lindsay, well done.
Moving on to maths, and our 2 award winners for Year 7 are Endry, congratulations, and Kisai, well done.
Science, well done to Raoul, fantastic work. And Alvita, brilliant. Well done, guys.
Moving on to geography, and the 2 award winners are Anne and Tyler. Congratulations to both of you.
History, we have got as our winners Dimitri, fantastic work, and Isa Never, very well done.
Moving on to music, and the 2 award winners are Florin and Lindsay. Well done to both of you.
PE, Miss Tansley's favourite subject. Tia, great work, and Florin, very well done. Jamie doesn't like PE.
Okay, moving on to drama, and the award goes to Ishmael and Fatmata. Well done to both of you.
ICT, very well done to Alvita and Rayanne, great work.
Okay, and moving on to our next award, which is for religious studies, and the 2 awards go to Musa and Brielle. Well done, guys.
PSHE, big well done goes to Matasham and Laura, very well done, both of you.
Okay, next award is for design and technology, and the 2 Year 7 awards go to Anne and Michael. Congratulations.
And in art, our subject winners are Layla, very well done, and Raju. Great work, guys.
Okay, and our 2 winners for Spanish are very much keeping it in the family, because the 2 winners are Brielle and Arel. Congratulations to you both.
Oh, Latin. Our prize winners for Latin are Maria and Lindsay. Very well done, ladies.
And our EAL award this year goes to Melina and to Razvan. Well done to both of you.
Writing for Success. Our 2 award winners are Aliyah, very well done, and Nehat, super work.
And our library award this year goes to someone who's been really, really good at reading books and taking full advantage of what the library has to offer. And it goes to Shaquille. Well done, Shaquille.
All right, our form tutor awards. So these are the people who have shown their form tutors to be role models. They've worked well. They're people we can rely on, and they're just all around brilliant. So
for 7B, the 2 form tutor awards chosen by Mrs. Anscombe are Ishmael and Jalia. Well done.
7R by Miss Simonova are Faisal and Albina. Well done.
And 7M chosen by Mr. Jabbar. The 2 awards go to Radu and Maria. Congratulations.
And 7F, our prize winners are Melina and Kusai. Very well done.
Okay, and a very special award goes to Fatmata for the winning poster for Anti-Bullying Week. This is a picture of her poster on the screen here. Congratulations, what a lovely poster that you've made, and well done. And I hope that that box of Maltesers went down really well, because they look really tasty. And also Kalista as well. Congratulations to both of you.
All right, our top achievement points. Who has received the most achievement points from all of the teachers this year?
We've got 3 winners, Mrs. Nash, for this one.
Brilliant. We've got Razwan, very well done. Brielle, brilliant. And Faisal, fantastic. Well done.
Okay, and on to the Achievement Director Awards, and you can already see one person that's already come up immediately. So our first Achievement Director Award goes to Alfonso, who in our opinion is a student that's incredibly consistent. He's always smiling, works super hard, and is just a lovely person to have in our year group. So well done, Alfonso. We also have the award that goes to Michael for very similar reasons, works very hard, is a good role model around school, and is always happy and smiling. And the third Achievement Director Award goes to Laura, because we feel that Laura, like the other 2, has shown a really, really good mature attitude this year, and her contribution to online learning during lockdown was exceptional. So well done to all 3 of you. You will be getting some very special awards and a gift voucher as well, emailed out to your parents. So congratulations. Shall I do this one?
Oh, pardon?
Shall I do this one?
You can do this one, yes, miss.
So the Jack Petchey Awards is something that goes across the whole of the UK, and each month a different pupil from our school is nominated for a Jack Petchey Award. It's a very special privilege to be nominated, and you have to be nominated for a very good reason, okay? And I'm so pleased to say that someone from Year 7 this year has won one of the Jack Petchey Awards, and it has gone to Tom. And Tom has won this award for his contribution to the online debating society and everything that he has done within debating. So well done, Tom. Really, really lovely award for you to win this year. Okay, miss.
Right, on to the House Award. So we'll start with Dalton. And our Dalton Award winner is Rami. So very well done to Rami.
House Awards for Newton House goes to Brielle. Congratulations.
Our winner for Anning is Faisal. Very well done.
And our House Award for Franklin goes to Razvan. Congratulations. Overall house points, Miss.
So in 4th place, we have Franklin. In 3rd place, Dalton. 2nd place, Anning, which means that the 1st place is Newton. Very well done to all Newton students.
Well done, Newton. Do you know what, Miss? It must be the new Year 7s, because in previous years I've been part of Newton and we've never won. So it must be you guys that have joined us.
You've made a massive impact already.
Soaring into the lead. Well done, everybody. Okay, and we have some awards for attendance this year for excellent attendance at school, and the following people will be receiving their attendance badges shortly: Alvita, Joelle, Georgie N, Christiana, Ashley, Anne, Nike, Anna, Rao, Kenny, Ed Lira, Endry, Jenny, and Alfonso. Let's give them all a round of applause for excellent attendance. And moving on to punctuality.
Punctuality awards, well done to these students who have never been late. Alvita, Joelle, Georgie N, Christiana, Ashley, Anne, and Nike. It's a great skill for the future to be on time. Keep it up.
Okay, and that is us at the end of your Achievement Assembly. It has been an absolute privilege to be your Year 7 Achievement Directors this year. We have maintained all the way through the year that you are the best year group, and I think that is still the case, isn't it, Mrs. Nash?
Couldn't agree more, absolutely.
And we expect for you to keep that standard going into Year 8. Make sure that you have an amazing summer holidays, and we can't wait to see you back in September ready for another hopefully really fun year with no lockdown.
Absolutely, and have a rest, because you've all worked so hard that you deserve to give your brain a little bit of a break, not too much, and come back fresh as Year 8 in September.
Bye.